What are you doing, Mirabelle? Let's show them how you can do these Cheerios. Are you going to eat it? Oh, you got it! Yay, Mirabelle! You're so smart. Let's take off your hood so we can see your pretty hair. Oh, you already have the other one in your finger. Are you going to eat that one too? Oh, are you going to get it? Push it in there. Push it in. Yay! You got it! Good job! You're so smart. You're so pretty. You're so smart. You are sure I'm making lots of noise. Are we going to go pick up Mima tomorrow? Mirabelle, are we going to go pick up Mima? Yeah. What are you doing? That's a funny face. Oh, are you out of Cheerios? Oh no. We bet. Oh, you can see your tooth. What the heck are you doing? Whatever it is, it's pretty funny. Here, there's 3 Cheerios. Let's watch you. Good girl.